Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to unbox this calculator. So as you can see, this calculator, I think this is one of the cheapest in the market. This cost around $1, and you can see this is KDU. I don't never heard of this company before. I think they want to make Casio. Plus it says 8 digits, square root, auto power off, percentage, and the 4 basic functions. So it's pretty common for calculator. And on the back, we have some of these sums, and this is made in China. So without further ado, let's just open it and see how it's here. This is it. So let's open this. And this is it. Overall packaging just pretty basic, and just card paper board, and then there's this plastic wrapping here. Yes, not that good. So this is the thing here. It's quite large, and this can move. So here we have all the buttons. Off, these are, I think, plus minus, and this is and this is on. All the operation and everything. Solar, I don't think that works. That's just fake one there. So let's turn it on. So there we are. It says it can hold up to 8 digits, and that's why only 8 digits, not more than that. So you can see this is a pretty basic calculator, but it's very large as well. The buttons are not of high quality, and so is the plastic over here, very scratchy and rough. Also, it doesn't have any concept of history and stuff, though this moves. Compared with a normal scientific calculator, I think I have one here. This is of Casio, and you can see it has just so much more buttons and more functions, and much smaller size. Also like these, and it's a much more scientific than that. Still, this is a good for, I think, basic functions and shops and everything. I don't know if one should buy it or not, but I think a mobile calculator makes more sense, because like there's a smaller device and we all use mobiles, and it can do much more functions of a calculator. This can just do the 4 operations and take out a percentage, square root, maximum. So no wonder I got it that cheap. It was like just like $1 something. Some people may find use of it. Still, I'll do another video of opening and showing how it works, and then we'll share this calculator. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to like and subscribe for more stuff.